Hey everybody, Merry Christmas. Today's December 25th, 2013. We have here a special unboxing. We have the Homedics, what is this called? Massage cushion with heat. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. This is about $99. It has about 8 or 10 different motors. They go in circles and they go also up and down, and they're 12. Oh yeah, 12. Yeah, okay. It goes in circles and it also goes up and down. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see how it looks like. Put it on the right there. Nice. So as you guys can see, it comes with this strap right here with Velcro. You can fold it when you're not using it. Of course, we get the instructions right here. What else we got? We got the extension cord. Looks like it's about maybe 6 or 8 feet long. And here's the remote control. So the same strap that you use to put it back together when you're not using it, you fold it down. You're gonna use it to strap it to a chair.
Say.
All right, so what's going on with that?
We have to remove this to get the cord out. This has
okay.
to come out. I don't know how though.
So it comes with a tool to remove that screw in order to get access to the plug and then connect it to the electricity.
There we go.
All right.
There's a little pocket right here that you can put
The remote.
to keep it out of the way.
Let's
So when you
take
wanna
a quick
use it.
look at the functions of the remote. So what do we have there?
We have the demo mode, power mode. That's full back, top back, bottom back, heat button. And then if you just want it in a certain spot, you can move it
Up and down.
up and down yourself.
Okay, and one more time, what's the brand name on this?
Homedics.
Price on this was about $99. This is a really good massage pad or chair, whatever you call it.
You can remove this too if you want to, if you don't want it on there.
And if we bring it here to close to the window, I don't know if you guys can see right here. You can see the how do you call that?
The kneading balls that go up and down.
Right.
The motors.
Right. So they are right here right now. I think I count 1, 2, 3 right here, and then a couple of more down here, and there's nothing right here because these ones right here are the ones that go up and down and also in circles. So you get basically a full back massage all over with this chair. So let's go ahead and connect the chair. So we had the got the chair connected. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So as you guys can see, there is a blue LED light that comes on when the chair is turned on. And let's see if we can do the demo. There you have it, guys. How the motors are going in circles right now, and also going from the bottom to top. And they have this really cool red.
That means because the heat's on.
Oh, okay.
I turn the heat on. That's why it's red.
Okay.
It won't be red if I turn the heat off.
Can you turn it off?
Maybe.
Well, it's doing the demo mode right now, so I don't think you can change it up. But as you guys can see, the motors are going in circles and also are going up and down. Because some of the massage chairs, they only do in circles, right?
Yeah, they don't move. This one does both.
Right. Now the seat doesn't have anything, right?
No,
This
it's just
right
a
here.
cushion.
And it offers a really nice cushion right here. This part right here is kind of like how do you call this, vinyl material. And we see also some cushion right here. See, now they are not with the red light.
That's a full back mode.
That's a full back mode. Can you click on the heat again? There we go. So every time we click on heat, the red lights gonna come on. Alright guys, I think that's all we have for right now. Again, that was an unboxing and review of the Homedics massage chair. This is about $99. We got this from where? What was the name of the store?
Bed Bath & Beyond.
Bed Bath & Beyond. Comes with the remote control. The extension cord is about 8 feet long. Really good chair. We highly recommend it. So thanks for watching. See you later.